I had this monitor for like 6 years, and suddenly everything is work. You can use it for still for browsing, but this is the one to use for if I watching something too. But in any reason, the speaker stopped working. So that's why I ordered in Amazon again. I give this one a shot. Hopefully this one is the same as this one. It lasts at least 5 years. So now it's here. I just get it on Amazon for this one's very cheap on the Amazon. This is the very low price. Anywhere you browse on that site, this is the one you get. The Scepter, I don't know how you pronounce that one. It's 22 inches. They said you can tilt this one. It has speaker and 1080 full HD. That's how they measure it. 1 ms built-in speaker, adaptive sync, and it says in the back, slim profile design, built-in speaker, tiltable monitor, same as my old one, Besa wall mountable, HDMI, DP, and audio out ports. They have only 1 year warranty. This one is made in China. It says too that you can reduce the screen too from the tone. So for browsing, because if you browse, you're gonna stress your eyes. If it is very vivid or very colorful, you can adjust it too. That's the one it says there. Safe for your eyes. And that's the model number there. Serial number. Made in China. So I get this one in Amazon for $93 something. That's included everything, delivered to your door. I get it for, you're not gonna believe, I get it for 6 hours after I ordered it. 1 day. So let's open it. Press box. Sealed. Hopefully it's not broken. So let's follow where's the front. It says here, that's the front. So access from there. Flip it over, make it easy to pull it out. Put this on the side. First you can see, this one is the leg. Cable with the, it comes with the screwdriver, tiny. Here's the unit by itself, the screen or the LED monitor. There's a logo there. It's very sealed. It's on the side. So far, I don't see any crack there. So pull it out. Here's the adapter. It's multi-ball too. You can use it in 110. You can use it in 222. That's a good to hear that there. I'll give you a close-up look for this LED. Sorry for the glare. And this one, push button is good. It's not soft touch. It's like a manual adjustment there. This the power, volume, and of course this one is the HDMI 2.0. They have a audio out there, and this one is DC input. And this is the hook up for the legs. So put this one really quick, and I'm gonna show you how this one is look. I'm gonna find where's the screw at. So that's direction how you put it. So now I have a base, and here's the hardware. This rubber may be to make it clean. You need to put this one in after you put the screw on. And in the back, line this one up here. Just insert, drop it, and get the screw and tighten it in. After you drop the screw, tighten in. And when you feel snug, stop it. Don't break the unit. And when you tilt it, be careful. Hold the screen. Now you can tilt it like that. But you cannot swivel it. So let's get it into the computer table and hook this one up. This one is very straightforward to use. Just put this power in, hook this one up, and it gets from there. So the one I tell you earlier, to make it clean, that's the use of those two rubbers, so that you're not gonna see the screw there. Very nice stats there, nice design. You can put this one in a wall, but you need to use your hardware to put it in the wall. It's not comes with it to the box. Highly recommended that read this manual first before you put it in your connection to your desktop. And after that, you're working on your modem. Now it's already sit into my desk table computer. I have a very small modem there. Connect it now and I show you how it looks like. Here we go. Monitors in. HDMI cable. I already put it into the power. Now they have a power. You see reflect there. So I put some white mark there so that I know where's the power. Push that power in. Now it's already in power. And the modem too. The screen is bright, but you can adjust it for browsing so that it not stress your eyes. So I just put it in my name so that we'll try one of my YouTube videos. So click on my collection of Optimus Prime robot. So this one is the actual how it look like, the monitor. The speaker is not great, but I can deal with it. So we're not paying tons of money. So far I like it. So hopefully you like this one too. If you ask me, I suggest to buy this one. Of course, for now, yes. So hopefully this one is last, but it says in the box only 1 year warranty. The last time I have, it's they lasted for the Insignia brand. It lasted for more than 6 years. I don't know about this one, but so far I like it. Even though the screen is alright, how clear is the screen, but the only downside is the speaker is not same as the one I have. The voice is not like Chris, not like my old one, but I'm alright. So I only paid this one less than 100. So it's not break your bank. So I think that'll be it. So that's my unboxing and quick put this one in. Sorry I never show you how to put it in, but it's very straightforward to do it. You just connect the adapter, put it in outlet, and connect the HMDI here, and put it here in another modem, and it's like plug and play and ready right away. Just put the power in and It's Rodi to Show. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye-bye. Thanks. I'm out.